Hi, I'm Michelle from MassageTools.com. I'm a licensed esthetician and certified massage therapist here to do another product demonstration. Today we're looking at the Luxe Medi Spa exam and procedure chair with rotation and stirrups. It's the 2246B fully electric chair. Let's get started. This chair comes with these beautiful stirrups here. They're nice and cozy, and they are attached to the chair by this T-rail bar here, which is made of stainless steel. Not only can it hold the stirrup as an accessory, it can hold any other medical accessory here. So these stirrups are removable. You simply just open up the lever here, and they can come off right here. Super easy. These stirrups have this nice little ball and socket joint, so when they're adjusting the legs here in the stirrups, it's really easy to make it very comfortable for the patient. This chair comes with high quality vinyl upholstery, super soft to the touch, nice and cushy and plush, super cozy. It's also got this gorgeous hand stitching all throughout the chair that you can see here. It adds this nice little extra piece of luxury. I absolutely love it. This chair has a height range of 24 to 36 inches. Its seat depth here is 23 inches wide by 22 inches deep, and this chair can hold up to 385 pounds. By moving this lever here, I can go ahead and move the chair 240 degrees. Love it. This chair also comes with a foot extender, so if you have an extra tall patient, you can simply extend the feet here to make the patient extra comfortable. And now to move it back in, you simply push up, twist the knob underneath, and it's back in place. This chair comes with removable, adjustable, and reversible armrests. So the arms actually go all the way back and forth, and then they also are removable. This chair comes with an adjustable headrest and face cradle. Simply move the knob, and I can move that here, and to tighten it, I just twist the knob here. Now, if you want to work on somebody laying face down, you simply can pop out this little hole here, and then you would of course, bring down the table to a flat position. So if your patient or client is laying in this position and you need to get them up much quicker, there is a little handy reset button here. It's a silver button on the back. You simply push it and the chair goes right back up into a nice seated position. This chair has so much versatility. It can be used in doctor's offices, podiatrists, plastic surgeons, and OBGYN offices, and many more. If you have any questions about this Luxe product, please feel free to contact us. Thanks.